Welcome to Boring Money, Rich Life. I'm your host, Joy Hicks, and today we're going to talk about Coinbase. So, they are a cryptocurrency exchange, which means you are able to buy, sell, and trade crypto on their platform. So, you can kind of buy like Bitcoin or Ethereum on their platform. And a lot of people actually do like them because they are marketed as being more like beginner friendly. I am definitely starting to learn a lot more about cryptocurrency, and that does have a lot to do with this administration. So, Trump has shared that he definitely wants to kind of expand crypto in the US. He actually attended the Bitcoin conference last year, which is like the big like crypto conference here in the US. And at that conference, he was sharing that he definitely wants to make America like the leader in Bitcoin. And then actually this year, his sons, Eric Trump and Donald Trump Jr., they attended as well. And so they were definitely talking about like how excited they are about crypto, kind of like what they're looking forward to the most in that space. And that has a lot to do with the fact that Trump is definitely trying to make the US a lot more crypto friendly. So during their panel, they were kind of saying that like they're happy that the previous administration is kind of gone because there was a lot of like laws kind of preventing them from innovation within the crypto sector. And so there's a lot that they're working on, which I'm definitely going to do like some other videos about as well. But they're just saying like they're very happy to see crypto growing because they would love to see traditional banks go away. So they were saying they feel like with the bank, you can't really trust it because you deposit your money in there. You have to go through certain holds to actually access your money. They were saying the bank will kind of take a portion of your money and put it somewhere else. So they are definitely like excited for crypto, excited to see what the innovation is going to be. So, me personally, I'm definitely kind of watching what's happening, definitely learning to understand, how this space is going to grow. Coinbase, the reason why I brought them up is because they made history last month by being the first cryptocurrency exchange to be accepted into the S&P 500. Now, that is actually a big deal because they are actually replacing Discover in the S&P 500. Now, Discover, they're being bought out by Capital One Financial. And so this is kind of interesting because I shared that, the Trump administration, they definitely are saying that they would like to get rid of traditional banks, right? And so to see a cryptocurrency exchange kind of replace Discover, which is more like traditional, like credit cards and things like that, it's definitely something that's making me say, okay, this is something to pay attention to. Definitely a space to get more educated on. Now, I'm not telling you to buy crypto, you know, definitely consult your own financial advisor, but I would definitely say that this is something to learn a lot more about because again, this administration is definitely crypto friendly. And apart from the administration itself, the SEC is also becoming more crypto friendly as well, which is why this is definitely something to learn about and pay attention to. So the SEC, they are hiring Jamie Selway, and he does have a lot of like blockchain experience. He is going to become the director of the Division of Trading and Markets June 17th. And so he's worked for a company called like Saffron Advisors, where he was the global head of institutional markets and blockchain. He also served on the board of Skew, which is a crypto analytics company that was actually acquired by Coinbase. And they're also hiring Brian T. Daly, and he's going to take over the Division of Investment Management July 8th. And he also has a lot of experience in cryptocurrency and blockchain. So, definitely something to be paying attention to. I told you guys that we are taught to consume. We're not really taught to learn about like what's going on in the finance market or in the finance world. But I would say this is definitely something to learn about and pay attention to because it definitely sounds like this administration is trying to transform the way that we handle money. I mean, Bitcoin and all of those things definitely were around long before Trump got into office. But seeing that we have an SEC who is becoming a lot more crypto friendly, we have a presidential administration who is becoming a lot more crypto friendly, we can probably expect that there's going to be a lot of deregulation in this space. So, the whole point of this channel is to just learn about potential opportunities. Now, again, it is very risky. So definitely educate yourself. I am not a financial advisor, so I'm not telling you to buy it personally, but definitely understanding what's happening in the world, especially on a global scale, I would say is definitely very important. I am definitely going to continue to learn. And then as I learn things, I will definitely make more videos and share that information with you guys. So be on the lookout for that. But as always, what is one boring thing that you can do today to start fueling your rich life? Again, I'm your host, Joy Hicks. Thank you for watching and be sure to like and subscribe.